These are two different silver parts that belong to the school district, and this is her personal hearing aid. So normally she is going to pull this little switch and slide it off and go home with just the purple hearing aid, and this part stays at school. So there's several points of contact we need to look at. So the first thing I like to check is these tiny little contacts in here. So we need to make sure these 4 little gold rectangles are really shiny clean. So I'm rubbing them kind of hard with my alcohol swab because sometimes some dirt can get stuck on there. The next point is on the audio shoes. See these 3 little prongs? I'm going to just wipe those clean as well, but I'm going to be more gentle with those because those, we need to make sure they don't get bent because they wouldn't be able to sit in the right place. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is pull off the receiver, and I'm going to look at it and make sure it is all clean. Sometimes these posts or even down on this gray part can get some corrosion or rust on it, and so if that was dirty, then I would just need to kind of rub this alcohol swab on it. Sometimes I even have to scrub pretty hard, like in between the posts like this, to get down in there. But right now this one is completely clean and shiny. And also I like to look at the bottom of this audio shoe. If you see these 3 holes, right now this one's clean, but again, if it wasn't, you could just rub it with that alcohol swab. Let it dry, and then once it's dry, you can reconnect.